When you go on a field, stretch your hand. If anybody decides not to shake you, no problem. That's how it's supposed to be a man. If they don't want to shake you, let them walk. Then you will see that foolish FIFA, what they will say. Partey, when you get there, stretch your hand. If any player passes, let them pass. Then you will see that stupid FIFA, what they will say. What kind of stupid thing is this? A stupid English. Everything should be about you people. What do you people have? Abusing people around the world, stealing people's wealth. Go back with your brown teeth and then you want to act as if you are the most wisest people. The nonsense of a foolish British. The Ghanaian will stretch his hand because that is the law. That is the rule. And if any pig feels they don't want to shake, they should walk. You foolish English. You cover up your own brother's sins and you want to pretend you are the most holiest people on this planet. The foolishness of a foolish English. After all these things, Matisse Partey issue be Obama. One disgusting statement from the English. Say their players, English players, are thinking of shaking Partey's hand. What the heck? What the heck? What kind of stupid statement is that from the English? So our English players, the number of allegations said about two almost so. Because who are they? And I don't know how FIFA takes this or how they are going to react. But me, Partey, I wouldn't even shake any of these English players. These filthy people. When they do nonsense, they the allegation to almost pay. Sebi obi cry no cry. Partey allegation ke Canada Partey. So obianiwa in Ghana, nobody around the world has said Partey is guilty of anything. So for even these foolish English players to say they are thinking about shaking Partey's hand, how filthy you filthy people? Don't we know what you people do in England? You, these English footballers, don't we know what majority of you guys do in England? It's because it's your country. They cover up your stupid nonsense you do in England, raping people up and down. So far, nobody in England, from the king to the last person, can accuse Partey of anything because Partey is basically an allegations leveled against him. He has lawyers who are speaking for him. And until the judge brings out the final verdict, no fool in England can put Partey in a corner and say, I'm thinking of shaking your hand. Filthy, dirty people like you. Yeah. And sometimes, we sit there and just foolish people from England, they are talking, not all of them, but this is a stupid statement from the English FA, if that is true. It's one of the most stupid statements. When Partey was playing in Arsenal, the same nonsense they did to him. This guy, every single person, at the end of the day, sometimes people level allegations against them. No court on this planet has said Partey is guilty of anything. Then Arsenal, a foolish team like Arsenal, the leadership of Arsenal, they stupidly acted as if Partey is not a human being. Oh, we have to let him go. A foolish team like that. A very stupid team like Arsenal, they made Partey go. Abra, Obianjina Baby can say Partey is guilty. Who and which court, which judge in this world has pronounced Partey guilty of anything? And you see this foolish. So when I saw that, I got so pissed off. And I like to tell Partey, Master, don't let anybody push you into a corner and feel like you are guilty of anything. No. If they don't fucking want to shake you, don't fucking shake anybody. If these fucking English players, racist boys and girls, if they don't want to shake you, don't shake them. Who are they? It's because they have the media on their side in that island, on that fucking island called England. They sit there, the players abuse people. We all know those who were basically found guilty of assaulting people, beating people, assaulting women, raping women. We have seen some of these English players, but the English media cover this fucking thing up and they make it look like they are angels because they are English. And some stupid idiot is saying that, yes, we are thinking of shaking Partey. Foolish people. Who do you people think you are? You these foolish English players, who do you people think you are? You sit on Sky Sports, you sit on those your tiny, dirty TV stations, and you run down all African players because you people cannot play like them. You people don't have talent like them. The same nonsense they did to Rashford. The stupidity in that English football club. Partey, don't fucking shake any of these dirty people. Do you know the shit they do in England? If we decide to speak on the nonsense these English players do, the harassment, the rape, and all that the media cover up, they go down and say, we have settled the matter. Oh, this player, English international, the matter has been settled. Foolish people, don't we know you people? And you are thinking of shaking Partey. Which court in this world has pronounced Partey guilty of any crime? The FA in Ghana needs to release a statement and tell them that they are being foolish. Which court? If a court declares Partey guilty, then any stupid idiot can say, okay, because of my stance, who is clean in that English team? Which England player? Which English player? Which English player in this foolish English team can tell me they have not assaulted anybody? Partey is not guilty. Some of you people, we saw it. There were evidence. You were pronounced guilty of assaulting and raping women. We see you people. A bunch of racists. You think every African can be run down and looked upon like they are mad? What you people, the things you do to Saka in your national team. Saka, we all go play a soccer game. One player will miss, 3 players will miss. You just bring out the black player and you foolishly, your stupid racist and your brown teeth, because you only drink dark coffee. Then you pick one player because he's black. Don't we? You think we don't know you people? It's my Africans that I blame, that they entertain this foolish racist act of you, this English twerps. You are thinking of shaking Partey. The same thing they did to Mason, this Manchester United player, a young, talented player. An allegation has been thrown against him. You don't want to hear the boy speak. As far as he's black, you get Hurricane, a dirty man like that, sit on TV, speak like a pig. No sense, stupid people. Every time you want to make Africans look like you are better than Africans, you live on a fucking island with nothing. You came to Africa, abused people, stole their wealth, come sit there, lazy people pretend to be, you are rich. We are stupid. That's why we allow you people to live like that. Mason Greenwood. When I heard that, I got so pissed off, The English national team is thinking of shaking. Partey, just, you know what? Partey, you Partey, when you go on a field, stretch your hand. If anybody decides not to shake you, no problem. That's how it's supposed to be, a man. If they don't want to shake you, let them walk. Then you will see that foolish FIFA, what they will say. Partey, when you get there, stretch your hand. If any player passes, let them pass. Then you will see that stupid FIFA, what they will say. What kind of stupid thing is this? That's stupid English. Everything should be about you people. What do you people have? Abusing people around the world, stealing people's wealth, go back with your brown teeth, and then you want to act as if you are the most wisest people. The Ghanaian will stretch his hand because that is the law. That is the rule. And if any pig feels they don't want to shake, they should walk. Massa, I would like to tell the Black Stars, go into this World Cup with your chest high or out, whatever you want to say. Go represent your nation. Don't let anybody act like they are better than you. They are not better than you. These are people who are wet. We have 365 days in a year. They are wet almost like 358 days. They are wet. They are like wet wolf. They don't see sun. When they see sun, they start to scream. Forget these people. What can they do for you? And then they want to pretend as if they are better than anybody. Huh? That thing pissed me off so much. We are coming to the World Cup. If they feel they are big, they should go back and live on their island. That island they live on. One country that disgusts me on this planet is England. What do I need there? What is in there in that country? Baked beans and fish and chip. This country, miserable country. If we want to assess players who have abused women on this planet, not allegations leveled against them, players who have abused women that have been found guilty is in the English national team. Yeah. You foolish English. You cover up your own brother's sins and you want to pretend you are the most holiest people on this planet. The foolishness of a foolish English. We are not going to allow this suppression again. Oh. We are not going to allow this suppression again from you people who have nothing. In the 16s and the 18s, and that's when you had the opportunity to fool like that. Nobody's going to give any white man any opportunity to fool himself again. We are all equal. And we are not going to allow any fool to intimidate anybody. But go there, represent your nation, represent your flag. If you stretch your hand and any pig wants to pack, let them pass. Then we will see what that foolish FIFA will do. Our leaders cannot even speak for us. The GFA president, and I don't know how true that statement is, but if it is true, the GFA president at this point should be speaking. Who has found Partey guilty? Who on this planet, which judge has found Partey guilty of any crime? Judge Ben and I find Partey guilty of any crime. Which judge? And we sit there, then we automatically create this atmosphere around people. All because we want them to, we just want to destroy them. We are here, and we will all come to Boston and watch it. We will come and cheer Ghanaians. We will make sure we beat you people. Liars, you have no talent. robotic footballers. You have no talent, no flair, booting people around and running like donkeys. You will see flair. Do you think we are scared of you people? Huh? The nonsense that's going on, and we are allowing such a tiny country with nothing in it. These people. And you see, they are very beautiful, nice British people on this planet. I won't take that away. They are very honest, genuine British who really understand life. But majority of these people are dumb people. They think they are better than somebody. I live in America. There are a lot of shit here, the same as in the UK. So don't make it look like I'm speaking against the English team because it does not matter where you are. If you are in this country and you don't want to treat humans right, I would let you know you can't treat humans as not humans. It's very important. These are principles in life. But if a national team is going to release a statement to say they are thinking of shaking Partey, at the end of the day, who is guilty of anything? For you to start thinking that you want to shake Partey, who is guilty here? The nonsense of a foolish British. So the players I want to pay for their haircut. Benjamin Asari, for life, I will pay for your haircut. So Benjamin, try and reach out to somebody that you guys should reach out to Coleman. He's my friend. He will reach out to me and I'll let Don Cut come. Don't cut it. He will come there and do the job. I'll pay. I will just pay everything. Say $10,000 can be paid. Me, for life, you don't know. And I may say, Uki pick clean sheet back could be $5,000. My catch. Lawrence Atizigi has hair. Joseph Anantu has hair. Joseph Anand, the goalkeeper. So about you fukakra. Don't cut it and clean ukakra na. To Joseph, let us know. Derek Lucasen. I didn't really look at you. I don't know. Abdul Mumin. Ajete na about you kwale why say kura ajete the hard guy ajete wo yenyu about you uni about you mpo o kura uni ewi bi about ajete ye mo live bia Gideon Mensa na rasta na I monsia siero don't cut asiano I know we was asiano one man we fade in kakra me Gideon it also met you the amount Baba Rahman the Baba and the Rahman you are such a nice person but manager na ejimi that's my problem. You are a nice player. I'm not for have problem. We could have problem with you. But our manager need a crown for. So Baba Rahman so be yes here. I may yes here. Mama catch say, what's all about your light to be obey you and the endorse be $80. Into a year about you know who was a fade side and side. Right, Baba Rahman, no problem. Now, Ali Dusedu, other than ballast, Ali Dusedu, and the name didn't know. Or the question any about you, only why only about you say beyond mid 20 Chelsea come out. It's Ali Dusedu to meet ya. I only about you say, go and get hair. You are still not a man. You need hair. Oh, about you make so. May you me the eye, you me the. Ali said the crime. We. I had a shine to do. Unia about you. Ali do. Kobo bonus. Kojo pepra upon. I don't. Kojo ben shut down hunti. General Opoku ben shut down who so. Inti. When you are from ID card, bra. Marvin Senaya. Marvin so ben shut down hunti. Also go for ID card, bra. Thomas Partey. Maninson. I mention. Uko jaba beni obi agosese. Mamu bonyo. Kwasi afu amu dia no munim. Uko jina Partey. Mensre kura muna wanim mentumi ma don cat ba be yi ho ama ba be say code a lie bi kitu bi to ama the Partey ma onan ne nyetintis bi the block no I man nya wase ase ana uchabo na se Partey. Thank you Partey. Now kwesisibo be so die utiri no ba wo be say oyiyi enim ne ye ma wa I obetumi clear enim no neat don't cut it or otumi clear no was the spray na but open say kwesibo on fire yellow gold did be bra obetuma be utin fire amount. All right sibo what dem feel you. I also Elisha so me shut down steady I'm sorry but uni about you am frame me Caleb Yirenchi more fast about friend Caleb enye Caleb Yirenchi we shall Ghana commentators ahana Caleb de kutobo no and Caleb Caleb also my body my girls no feel you. Caleb almost like Caleb. What fast about or you good fucking or under 17 left and a car rough you find Caleb I is sort of the monster draws I you hard or did you buy car to actually know about is Japan I what fast about you find Caleb or the left the car rough and the left foot to be to turn about the court we did by 4 years it was a 3 or you hard to I was in America but you know I Caleb this be o tie bia na okotobo babo bi glass e car mu na pa ni aba deportive intama ma dwene tutu ba ne ma me say the Caleb the niso nya shinti say me dwene me America because the Caleb no me person ne ba o we di be 3 or 4 or bobo rough, but also ya no to ba. Intebia na broni biso kasi we no to ba bom near baby deportivity Caleb or the drink a crack, the back Ghana mabe check it. Now, obi to say a year Augustine Boache, Augustine, so unia bodria, bring your ID card. A year Jordan ayo Jordan amaka Sakura for the omo yenhye de nyom hodwuma nche sen na bi obedi 30 minutes bi or no atete wabodwo no kakra bi eno betua enti Jordan Inaki Williams Inaki so ayana a donkat we yi chire no ohun ono so side and side bi or fade and no fade am na nice no we spray and no kakra bi Inaki de also no or pesere pa enti ano obe fade am ni muna because okosere na akosere line enti am ni muna Inaki de osrepa okay sevenyo darling boy no ai sevenyo or what is sevenyo nice guy or bobo too academy player sevenyo ready player ba ko ntuma ko kapem ya pa any a star boy by the star boy next 4 years or Nations Cup you prove Ghana, the world wrong. I know you're a good player star boy by befa nyame na ahye yemfa bibia ma nyankopon the right time come now your light will shine Antoine Semenyo also I say I load red big so nti yasian man why Semenyo girls me feeling the time but also a very beautiful wife and I really appreciate Semenyo very calm guy the two doors to seven and so still all form Semenyo when they still to acquire good nti Fatau Isaku Sakwa no pass apart also bobo pao Fatau oh god neni brebo tetena ke befa the ball kraman ball gbe e kire wo hu ball odim nika Fatau so hard guy oba aya na feed nika kraman Fatau ball gbe o ball kraman e kire wo hu ball odi e kire sa do akokoro so Fatau so a good player I am Fatau haircut mami Kamal Dean Sulemana Kamal Dean also ball gbe o pe ball tu e kire wo hu ball be bia ball be ko bi o cross ball utwa de cross hey Kamal 100,000 archive na di panche also Prince Edukwabena Prince Benshada Nimu it for ID card for Ghana card bra na me hu de meyama Ernest Nyama na nkofo kan Ernest Nyama na emobu Ernest Nyama Nations Cup qualifiers them say Ernest Nyama a very good player but hey watch so ko engine waba Ernest so fade bi ho nti ye nie man why ana na line na chia kakra nti ana for ruler no ko na tenetene ne line ma no obi te say Christopher Bonsuba Benshada hu for Ghana card bra na mema Ghana for hu Brandon Thomas Asante Brandon Inti, this is the players I'm to meet here on haircut na momo. Me baba and your friend Don't cut it. Obeso friend Don't cut it or ma me permission to put his business line out. But said Don Emma me permission send me find the business line no into Abontinia. I'll put Don't cut it business line out. Into more Black Stars camp no mon friend Don't cut it say Kevin Taylor say bra na be haircut nyina obetua ni nyina players am abono start free Jordan on nan de ne bo nya din Sakura fast that's we na bodwo enti don't cut it give me your business line I'm fan to na omon farmer Black Star players de ohia wo no on friend number no ka so code ne Kevin Taylor code no passcode in Kevin Taylor obeko omo campo minim baby omo say they are in Virginia or something like that omo hotel be something like that enti baby omo be don't cut it baba or you su car don't cut it use me besemeka esika 4 car pa baba o use esika 4 car me for India agro so they don't and my business no right now it's exactly 5:04 p.m. A year Ghana time no a year 9:04 p.m. Good evening to Obia yencha Obia a few messages KT add my name boy yaw and a celebrity baba. And so they don't cut it. Obviously, KT, yesterday you were wearing a chicken shirt. Today, what are you wearing? Oh, I'm wearing a boo shirt. You can see. Oh, that's my shirt. You can see. It's a boo. The new brepa. You can see it. Aha. It's a boo shirt. And yeah, Kevin, you are very sweet and generous. Hey, girls, no. God bless you for me. Say, Bema dia no homo. But I can see, say, Maggie dia nice. All right. Bema dia omo boss obaso sa na say homo to aso. Mr. And Bema no be make say Kevin, oh, you are looking lovely. Oh, Kevin, hey, Mr. Mo. Me pray me nyeyi kojopo me nyeyi intim fojo. Intim Mr. Mo. Okay, now, they are based in Rhode Island. Oh, so they went to Rhode Island, right? They left DC. Okay. In just Black Stars for Omoko. Now I'm some that but Omoko Rhode Island, yeah, that's fine. I think Rhode Island, my friend Fentio Tahiru went there to do a piece Rhode Island time. I'm pick her as their grounds for the World Cup, and I watched a piece Fentio Tahiru a year. Rhode Island. It was a beautiful one. It's a beautiful school. There's a guy I play soccer with in his school, wonderful, very nice facility here, very solid. And Tahiru at the chairman, very, very nice. Say Black Stars school there, then it means to say we are all good. We are all good. I wish I could find the documentary to show you. Fento Tahiru went to Rhode Island to cover a year everything, whatever happened, facility, and then he sent it to me. It's beautiful. It was beautiful. And then I hope say F4 they will make sure the place in Adibi here Mubiano Omonsaka for them to perform the way we want them to perform. We want them to win. And that's we might disagree on some of the players in there. That's fine. But the most important thing is, as far as the selected players, we know they will represent Ghana. And what we need to do is to support them. We wish Anka Obienya Anka the player Obienya player ope and Anka or the Ebeko Black Star and Ebe friend, but it doesn't work like that. For now, I think we all should come together as a people, as one people, to support the Black Stars, whether we like it or not. They are all Ghanaians, who have to support, represent us. Obiawo problems. I'm talking about squad and Obuo reservation about goalkeeper side. Obuo problems with defense. Obuo problem with midfield. Obuo striking problem. Into Obiawo the problem, but at the end of the day, that is what the coach, or these are the players the coach wants to work with. And at this point, I feel say we should all come together as a people, support the Black Stars. So Piana Stadium be able to say, are you supporting Ghana? They are not going to say, are you supporting the defense or supporting the attack? They will tell you, are you supporting Ghana? And that's what we want to support. They are bad and are bad. This is what we have. Let us protect this. Let us support the Black Stars. I will come to Boston. I'll watch the game. I'll come to Philly. I'll watch the game. I'll also go to Canada and watch the game. So we check 3 games. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. You support the Black Stars, and you can see, they are very ready to make us proud. And for a very long time, you hope it's a World Cup and you better quarterfinals, now semi-finals. Maybe this team that we are underestimating, it could be the team that will make the difference. It's always good to think positively and also to know, so obedient the carrier on the line to support or to play for your national team is a big deal. It's a big deal. Everybody will come out of this year tournament the way they came, very solid. Because this is their trade. This is where they get their checks. This is where they get their money. We are Bompire Mobia and Kupra and Nikaria and Kosei. We are hoping say every single player will be protected. Ubia Obeji Peniso Obisi Akama Ghana Biano, their career will be protected. No injuries, no serious life-threatening injuries, and our career-threatening injuries. Yapeso Biako work up and all back safely. And then the next time we can call them to come. So good luck to guys now on the camp right now. And I'd like to say good luck to the coach too. Good luck to a year. We can't do anything. When we go for text, say, this team power, but you never know. Let's give them a chance. Let's give them a chance and see what will come out of it. All right. And a Friday, when it's Friday, it's mixed bag day. Now, at the end of the I meant to ya nipebi ekasakasa murefi, but mekaimo. Now we are going straight to South Africa. In fact, one of the hard-working ambassadors now, I can say, and there are so many ambassadors around the world that are representing Ghana. So many of them are working. When it comes to the United States, Victor Smith is working so much. You can see there's less and less a year complaints when it comes to the embassy in DC and also in a year New York. And the New York consulate, they are perfect now. You can see people are not complaining about New York services, and the people that work there, like they are doing everything exceptionally. So we are very happy when you go to Italy. Madam Mona is also doing wonderful. I have some friends in Italy, and they're telling me that the services in Italy right now, the Ghana embassy in Italy, it's superb. You go there, the human the connection is there. The services are all on top of everything. And you can see, there are some experienced ambassadors around the world. So Italy too is one exceptional place that they are doing so well. When you go to Spain, I heard Spain too, right now things are moving on very nicely. Other embassies around the world. No, Onyomuyana is perfect so far. but they are doing their best. So we can see, say, there's work going on. Spain, they are doing very well in Spain. I've heard it. First, me inbox, you call emails more. Now for free Spain, normal complaining, like this is that. But today, you don't hear anything. When you make calls, you place calls to people in Spain, Ghana, they are like, oh, right now they're the ambassador. So we are seeing some improvement. Now in South Africa, this guy is working so hard. And I would like to applaud him for the work he's doing. And then I think midnight, another set of Ghanaians will be leaving South Africa to Ghana. I don't know, so we movie Krampa. But so far, the videos we saw, they were preparing to move all these Ghanaians to Ghana. The evacuation is ongoing in South Africa.
No one day.
Watch your back very well.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it.